What's up, guys? I'm unboxing the Steam Deck OLED limited edition, 1 TB. Let's take a look at this bad boy. Got the raw gal line. I used the LCD in the past, so excited to see what this one looks like. A little bit different case than the LCD version. We got the little plastic piece here. Let me get this off of here. Where am I seeing that? Alright. Okay. Still got the same, pretty much the same chickeny charger. So any USB charger will work for this guy. Let me pull up the specs here. That's got the smaller CPU. So, looking at the 1280 by 800 HDR OLED display, anti-glare etched glass, 1 TB NVMe SSD, 7.4-inch display compared to the 7-inch original LCD display, 60 Hz of the old one, and the 7.4-inch 90 Hz for the new one, whereas the old one had a 7nm APU chip. This has a 6nm and Wi-Fi 6E, so you'll have faster download speeds compared to the Wi-Fi 5 and the old one. The 6nm chip will help with heat that it generates, cooling, how hot the console gets, the handheld. It'll run games a tad bit better just because of the cooling ability and the OLED display looking a little bit better. So there you have it. Custom case. We got the clear translucent shell. That is impressive. You can see all the battery, the orange accents, the screws, the vent cover, the bases of the joystick. It's more of a shadowy translucent instead of a clear. You can see the internal components, but I wouldn't say they are that obvious. So yeah, and then you've got the orange vents here and the orange power button like on the typical OLED non-translucent. So let's fire this bad guy up. RGB diode, LED diode on the new handheld. Trying to get too bad of a glare here. Get to check out the initial boot sequence on the 1 TB OLED limited edition. There you have it, the reduced bezel OLED screen, 1 TB limited accents, and clear translucent panel. All the same stuff you love about the Steam Deck, just with OLED and more efficient chip, better cooling, longer battery life, more playtime for your favorite games. So, stay tuned and I'll show you some comparisons and some videos, some gameplay on the OLED. Thanks for checking me out. Like and subscribe.